Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to install Pinokio AI step by step. First, open your browser and visit the official Pinokio AI website. Download the version that matches your operating system, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the installation steps. The setup usually takes just a few minutes. After it's finished, launch Pinokio AI from your desktop or Applications folder. When you open Pinokio AI for the first time, you may be asked to sign in. Click Login or Sign In. Depending on the current version, you can create a new account using your email address or continue with a supported sign-in option if available. Verify your email if requested, then return to the app and sign in with your account. After logging in, Pinokio AI will prepare its environment. This may include downloading required components such as Python, Git, or other dependencies automatically. Let the process finish without closing the application. This one-time setup makes installing AI tools much easier later. Now you'll see the Pinokio dashboard. This is where you can browse and install popular AI applications with a single click. Simply choose the tool you want, open its page, and click Install. Pinokio handles the technical setup automatically, so you don't need to enter complicated commands in the terminal. After installation is complete, click Run to launch the application. Depending on the tool, it may open directly in your browser or inside the app. If it's your first time, the initial launch can take a little longer because extra files may need to download. If you run into any errors, make sure you have a stable internet connection, enough free disk space, and the latest version of Pinokio AI installed. Restarting the app after installation can also solve many common issues. And that's it. You've successfully installed Pinokio AI and learned how to log in and start using it. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and let me know in the comments which AI app you want to install next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.